Guys, so tapos na ako mag-workout. It's 30 minutes workout. Masyado tayong maliwanag. Ayan. Sobrang nagpapawis ako. So, pag gusto ko guys na mag-relax or magpahinga lang sa kwarto, I really love to use scented candles. I'm watching Street Food Asia. Talagang bet na bet ko to.
Your grandpa was hardworking. Back in the day, he was always working in the streets.
It has Whittier mushrooms, pork, onion.
So currently guys, I'm really hooked up watching any kinds of travel or food documentaries. Ito is from Netflix. Ayan, Street Food Asia. So parang 6 episodes yata siya. Hindi ko pa siya natapos. History and experience ng mga tao sa iba't ibang countries in Asia when it comes to their street food. I highly recommend you to watch this, guys, especially for those people who are travel enthusiasts, food enthusiasts. This is really for you guys.
And people constantly yelling at you to sit down to Gwangjang Market because they know that they can get real Korean food. Purple sweet potato.